Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL WP36 and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. To do that, open Settings application, scroll down and tap on our System About Phone selection firstly. In it we look for our build number, which is right there, and we must tap some times to activate our development mode. To confirm it, we must enter our look screen. After that, we can go back and tap on System Selection, where we have our additional settings developer option. Tap there, and in it, first option memory, and there we have information about our available random access memory. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.